Welcome to Heard at Health. I'm Katie Adams, a reporter with MedCity News, and I'm here with David Stein, the CEO of Babson Diagnostics, a company that's working to make blood testing easier and faster. So, capillary blood draws are much more painless and more convenient than traditional blood draws, where you take the blood from the vein. So why aren't capillary blood draws used more broadly in the industry?
I think they're broadly used for tests such as glucose meters and things like that, where you need a quick result from a very limited set of parameters. Where the current art of capillary testing fails when you try to do broad testing. And because nobody is able to make a system that, one, ensures the quality of the capillary draw across a large number of testing things that you want to test for, while at the same time enabling broad testing from a small volume of blood without doing cheats, without doing things that are not the right way to do it. And truly at Babson, we're the first company ever to reimagine an end-to-end testing ecosystem, along with our partners Becton Dickinson on the collection side and Siemens on the analytical side. We truly have reimagined end-to-end blood testing so we could bring it to highly accessible locations such as the retail pharmacy. We can quickly get your finger sampled using a device that we've developed with Becton Dickinson that really makes it a lot friendlier and a lot human experience and a lot faster than what's done today.
So does the lab industry have the capabilities to process and analyze these small volumes of blood?
Today it's not easy. If you sent a small volume of blood to a current lab, they have to do a lot of special things with it to make sure that it can go onto a high volume system and that system can process it like they do big tubes. What we've done at Babson is eliminate that, which is all along the way from collecting a relatively large, high quality capillary sample to maximizing the clinical utility of that sample by automating all the pre-analytical steps from mixing to centrifugation to connecting you to the barcode on it to refrigerating it and then bring it to a highly automated microsample labs where those small tubes go directly on the system without the need for special handling, and specifically without the need to do things that stretch the sample. We run them what's called neat in the industry, which is directly on our system without any dilutions or anything that's just not the right way of doing it.
You mentioned that Babson has relationships with Siemens, with BD. I know BD makes the blood collection device that's part of your ecosystem. So can you talk about your relationship with those companies?
Sure, we've been working with both of those companies. We were originally incubated inside of Siemens, have a relationship. We've been working with BD since the summer of 2016. This is all a piece of an incredible amount of Babson IP that we have and Babson know-how that will finally allow us to bring accessible and convenient blood testing to all different kinds of settings without making a sacrifice, without sacrificing menu breadth, without sacrificing quality, without sacrificing cost, and achieving a true human experience.
Well, thank you so much, David.
Thank you.
That's what you heard at Health.